want to return different types of objects, different times. And we want to control what types of objects we return at runtime. So we switch between different methods used for creating objects. In this example, we have a pizza store. And when we order pizza, we select between a number of different types of pizzas defined in our New York pizza store. Our New York pizza store features cheese, pepperoni, veggie, and clam pizza. And the method we use for selecting pizzas is this. Depending on the type, we receive either New York cheese, pepperoni, clam, or veggies type pizza, and we can select between any of them when we order. So we can select a clam pizza, and we receive the pizza defined by the select pizza method. Assume now that this pizza store branches out and becomes a franchise, so that we create two different pizza stores, but we'd really like the same method of ordering pizza from both the stores. So instead of hard coding a New York pizza store to be used by all customers, some customers will probably order their pizza in Stockholm and others will order their pizza in New York. So we'll have to make sure that this becomes a parameter. And instead of a New York pizza store, we'll have to extract an interface we can use for other classes. So let's call this a pizza franchise. And the select pizza method is the common denominator between all those who implement our franchise. So our pizza franchise now consists of an abstract method for selecting pizzas. And in our pizza store, it now says that it refers to an enumeration of different types of pizzas that it assumes resides in our pizza franchise, which it really should, but doesn't until we move it. So we'll have to move this up. Like so. And our New York pizza store now works. So we'll just test this in order to make sure that our previous functionality works as intended if we order a clam pizza from New York. Okay, great. But as we said, there should be different. It should be different for different customers to order pizza from other stores. So our franchise has branched to Stockholm, say, and we'll have to create a Stockholm pizza store which implements our franchise. So it receives a select pizza method, and one way of implementing this would be to look at the New York pizza store and simply return pizzas as appropriate for our Stockholm customers. So instead of New York cheese pizza, we'll have Stockholm cheese pizza. Instead of New York pepperoni, we'll have Stockholm pepperoni, and so on. And this would probably be a type of cheese pizza. We could describe it as a like so. And if we were to order a pizza from our Stockholm pizza store, let's just create our other pepperoni pizza, and let's go. Pizza. And finally our veggie pizza for the Stockholm pizza store. So, in our general pizza store, when ordering from Stockholm, and if we say that we want to cheese pizza, we see that we receive a Stockholm type cheese pizza. And this allows us to construct a set of products from our Stockholm pizza store and another set of products from our New York pizza store. And they're actually almost copies of one another in terms of their implementation. We could make this even simpler by having some kind of map between types and class names. But for now, we'll leave it at this, where our different products can be selected using different factory methods. So our New York pizza store provides us New York style pizzas. Our Stockholm pizza store provides us with Stockholm type pizzas. And as a user, we can supply either the Stockholm pizza store or the New York or Stockholm pizza stores. And our general order pizza method accepts any franchise as its parameter.